Come on now. Where the fuck is this thing? This is fucking crazy, dude. Looks good on the daily still, man. There's still some fucking room to go, bro. Before we go back down. There's still some room to go up before we go back down. We're kind of there. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Could be worse. Yeah, so we're like right under the 200-day moving average here on the daily, like right under. It would be really nice if we could go over that. It's currently 84232. It'd be pretty cool. I gave you guys Tron here. This is a nice play, man. Nice little play. So it could be huge if it actually like bounces here. I mean, you're talking a really big pump, man. and they've done it before. People are sleeping on Tron. I don't know who Eric's son is, but the chart is pretty nice, man. It's pretty nice, man. I don't know. There's still a buy on the daily, so it's probably still going to go up before it comes back down. I mean, I mean, I don't know if Trump goes 400% tariffs tomorrow. Like, I can't predict that, but the chart is definitely telling me it's still a pretty good buy in the short term. In the short term, FOMC is Wednesday also. Like, if you're trading right now, you're taking a big risk. I certainly wouldn't be buying spot positions right now. That would be crazy. I mean, like if I'm gonna buy anything, it's gonna be Bitcoin for spot right now. It's not like I'm a Bitcoin maxi. It's just that if we correct, like FOMC is really bad, Bitcoin could go to the 50s, and like these alts will get just shit on even more. It'll be like, oh my god, it'll be like a 200% losses, man. So that's why I would say if I'm gonna buy like anything, like then hold it would not be now. You need to confirm like bullish on the chart for a little while, like a couple days, man, before I buy spot. And otherwise, you should just be leveraging in and out, swing trading, shorting when you need to short. Like I've called some really good trades this past week. I'm honestly like probably 11 out of 12, 10 out of 12 or something. It's really good. It's been a good week. The volumes are really low. Um, so like you kind of need to get out because like a sell off could be really, really quick. What the fuck, man? Come on, dude. Brett's been looking really good, man. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. I gave the entry here for you guys last night, man. I literally gave the entry here for you guys. That's a pretty big move up. I went all in on Tron because I have made good money off Brett and I have spot Brett. So unfortunately, I have spot Brett right now. I'm kind of stuck with it. I mean, it's going to go back to like 2 billion, so it's what it is. But it's just annoying to have capital locked up. But like that's a pretty big move if you're playing with, if you got my call. That's a pretty hefty move, man. Well, let's see how our boy Caspa is looking today. We made some good money off Caspa 2 days ago. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did, man. Yeah, we entered, let's see. We entered here probably. I'd say we entered here. Yeah. We entered here. And I actually exited at point. I got here. Yeah. We went up to here, but my stop loss hit at 0.813. So I almost sold the exact top of that pump. And I got you in here like a really safe entry. Like this is great, but like this is very hard to predict, man. And there's no signal on that. It just happens. So like if you're holding, it's great, but like timing that trade is really like you got to just be staring at Caspa and only Caspa, and I'm not doing that. Sorry. But like yeah, I mean, I got to a really big run up, man, and I gave you like a good sell, like almost the top of that run, man. Like just because crypto's dead doesn't like people don't seem to realize like the best time to make money in crypto is when crypto's dead. Um, you can just play the charts, there's not like scam wick bullshit. Like, I mean, Lord, like what is the like these wicks are ridiculous from last week. I mean, you cannot trade off that. You're actually just gambling. And trading, like you need to have an advantage, man. Like what advantage are you having? Trading view is going crazy, man. Just switch the chart. I mean, the wicks make no sense. Boom, boom, boom. And look at this. Pumped all the way up and then boom. Look at that. That's just almost a 10K wick. That's crazy. That's insane. How can you trade around that? Like, if that happens, your altcoins are getting smashed to the ground on that wick, man. Like, any trade you're in is just getting liquidated unless you're like at a 2x. Like, if you're at a 2x, just, I guess you should spot trade, Have fun with that, man. What else were we looking at? I had a couple plays I was thinking about entering tonight that are like really close to viable. Not yet, man. Catching a falling knife there, man. Still, like, you're probably gonna get a good bounce here again. Unless BTC wicks. Everything has been Bitcoin wicking. But I'd rather just wait till you get a better signal on that, man. Because it could also just consolidate. I don't want to wait for that shit. So nothing here, man. Nothing. I've been waiting, but nothing. You can't. Don't force the trade, dude. Like, you're gonna get fucking wrecked, bro. Wreck City. You're gonna go to Wreck City. Like, most people look at the chart and they're like, "Yeah, that looks so good." And no, man. You're going to go to Wreck City if you don't join our trading group. All right, nobody's as real. Like, we just tell you like what's gonna happen. The market's getting shit on. Look at that. Ooh, that's beautiful. I mean, I still need it to go up, but that's a nice little bounce. I mean, generally pretty bullish looking chart. Like, people can trash talk Turbo as much as they want, but like, this is what Turbo has always done. I've sold Turbo for profits before. Unfortunately, I literally round tripped this bastard. Pretty close to entry. But I also sold Turbo for a good profit in last March, like right before it got Binance. And now I like Turbo. Like, I mean, it's a meme coin. It's scammy, man. Like, if Bitcoin wicks, it wicks times 10. And the thing about Turbo is when it pumps harder than anything, and when it dumps really hard. So you really want to get out of Turbo when it pumps hard, or at least like take some money off the table, which is what I did the last time. But this time I didn't predict Trump shitting tariffs all over the market. Sorry, like. We were about to have a breakout. Like, Turbo was at a high, but it wasn't even at all-time high. But it was about to break out. And they just rugged the entire fucking market. What I'm supposed to say, tariff this, tariff that, dude. It's getting interesting to buy Caspa again. Nah. Maybe later. Maybe in a couple hours. Could definitely go down more. It might even. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I'm not sure if we're gonna want to find out, man. I'm not interested. This guy's a little cuck. I really wanted to short it, but it's quite pumpy, and it's like, I'm not gonna lie, it's giving buys, like, very close to buy signals again after this much pump. I don't know what the fuck is going on with this coin, man. Something, that's for sure. Trading View, man, get your shit together, bro. Like, you're killing me, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm just not gonna touch it. I got a stop loss on this fucker trying to short it, so I'm just. I was gonna go for a second, but that's just like it's like mega overextended. Like, Just got it done. I don't understand. It any minute, yeah. But probably so many people are shorting it, they're like not gonna let it dump. The market maker will never give you what you fucking expect. Believe me on that, man. I'm just telling you that. Hero's been hot, man. Like since it's massive dumping, that like you can say what you want, but like all alt charts look like that. Memes are just like exponentially worse. But like Solana looks like that, man. Stewie looks like that. You know, it's like, what are you gonna do? Whoa! Not totally rugged. I mean, it got close to completely rugged, but not totally rugged, man. Not totally rugged. There's some hope in that. There's some hope. I did sell like a good, that's probably third of my memes, like at 90K into Pepe, like directly into Pepe, which is basically just back chilling at entry. So it seemed like a very smart move, and it was. I caught a really good play on Pi earlier yesterday, like 2 days ago. It was a good 200% play. I caught this entire move basically. I caught that, and I think I SL'd here, so I didn't sell the peak, but I got a good 200%. I'm chill with that. I'm chill with that, man. Nothing to buy right now, dude. Nothing to sell right now, man. There's just nothing to do right now. You know, just fucking A. It's kind of like we're just going to maybe chill and go sideways from here to FOMC and then just Wick City on our faces. I don't know, man. I don't know. But like Bitcoin has held up better than I thought it would. Really thought it would be much lower right now. I thought it'd be like 80K, 78K. The chart is nice. Like it's really nice, but again, like one wrong statement Wednesday, you could get wrecked. Like the economy is just fucking wrecked, man. Like destroyed right now, guys. It's in a terrible position. Maybe it's intentional, you know, but like it doesn't feel good right now. And like one small thing could break its back, you know, and if we break its back, we're gonna hit a pretty bad recession. Like we're already targeted for a recession actually in July. This is like almost 6 months early. Gold is up a shit ton. US dollar is down a shit ton. I haven't looked today at the US dollar. Yeah, oh, not great. Not great, man, for sure. Kind of wrecked. Wow, this is crazy. What is this, man? What is that, man? This will be hilarious. Holy shit, bro. You can thank Mr. Nixon, bro. Thank Mr. Nixon, bro. You gotta thank him. Wow. Wow, 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 man. Sending. Dumping. Holy smokes. You can thank Mr. Nixon. Holy shit. The US dollar's a rug pull if you're watching this shit. Like, for real, man. It's just insane how much of a rug pull it is. It's just the slowest rug pull of history. You can't really make a play. You don't want to force it, man. Oh, damn. Let's go. Some volume, man. Wowzers. Let's go, dude. People are buying. Let's go. Buyers are coming to play, man. Who is this guy? Who is buying this? I'm just confused, bro. Like, this guy knows me. He must, because like this is the play I called like before anybody. So he's got to know me. If you know me, but like, why is he buying know me right now? I'm so confused. This is hilarious, bro. Don't do that, dude. This is wild. I love it. Thank you. Thank you for your continued support. There's another. Just this is a fucking guy's a Chad, man. These are some Chads here. Am I missing something? This guy's poor dude. What's this guy up to? He's got 637, man. Brian Frog, I don't know. Man, this guy's stacking the gnome, dude. He's stacking. He's waiting for the pump. He's really waiting for that shit. This is insane. Oh, man. I love it. Yeah, Vespa. Asia's about to roll over like a drunk puppy, dude. CZ's about to piss in our mouth, bro. I think Binance is looking really sexy, dude. Like, oh my lord, it, bro. Scam Man is pumping his bags, dude. Come on, man. Pump up a little more for daddy. What is this cat doing, dude? Oh, she's giving me a buy. I'm just telling myself in my head. Ah, not at all. Not at all, man. I wish. You'll be back, though, kitty. You'll be back. What a beast. Holy smokes. Sundog. I gave entry on this here. I took profit, like all of it here, though. And I'm in Tron, so like this part of it, I caught. You know, like so I sold all here. Pump, pump, pump. So I missed this much, and I caught all of this with my Tron call. People are sleeping on Tron, dude. Like I'm just telling you, like I don't know anything about it, like, and I don't care to. It's all scammy bullshit run by scammy people to steal your money. But like their chart, like it's Wick City in this bitch, but like it looks good. It does. It really does. Oh my fucking hell, man. This is terrible. It's I'm pretty sure it's gonna send them. Like I'd really be happy if we could hop over this here, man. The 200-day moving average, it would be really nice. It'd be cool. Brett's another one we're just gonna kind of trade in and out on the way up and on the way down if I have to. Whatever. But if the market pumps, Brett will definitely be a good pumper. That's for sure. A little pump, sir. Pumps a lot, sir. Turbo's the same. This is a good bounce, but whatever, man. The market can dump in 2 minutes, depending on what Trump says, guys. So, you gotta be. That's why I'm saying I wouldn't buy spot crypto right now. I'd be trading crypto. Even trading crypto right now, you have to be a real degenerate like myself. I called this the same time I called Brett. This is a pretty big move, man. Pay attention, guys. What's that up here? Why haven't I looked here today, man? I'm slacking. It's probably gonna go down some more. How would they say before it bounces, man? But it looks good, man. I mean, vomit in my face, bro. It looks okay. Yeah, it looks okay. There's been worse things to happen. There's definitely been worse things to happen, friends. This is one of them. Oh my God, what is 339K? Some people are like, oh, it's at a discount. I gotta go buy it. Nah, dude. That shit is, barring a miracle, it could be cooked. Yeah, dude. Could be cooked. So anyways, man, what's the plan? We're probably gonna chop. Maybe tomorrow is gonna be really volatile, and then we're gonna have the Federal Reserve meeting on Wednesday, so it's gonna be a really volatile time. It's really risky to trade. I wouldn't trade anything without a stop loss. And I wouldn't be buying spot until something good happens, man. And when I say good, I mean something that's gonna bring volume or liquidity into the market. Because we've been having a lot of bullish news, but the market's not moving, and that's usually a pretty bad sign in general, man. And again, a lot of this is really it's so hard to predict. If anyone tells you they can predict it, they're crazy. But the issue is that this is not what's supposed to be happening. This is going on. This is an extended correction, basically, because of the tariffs. Bitcoin is supposed to correct. All assets are supposed to correct. But it corrected because of it corrected because it was due for a correction. But then the tariff shit happened and it just overly corrected. And because of the tariffs, nobody's entering the market. Look at the stock market. Yeah, it bounced, but still, it could definitely go back down. So the tariffs really dumbed the shit out of the market, man. So the markets aren't supposed to be here. So it's very hard to predict what's going to happen, because what's going to happen is actually probably reliant upon Wednesday. No rate cut is expected. It's already priced into the market, so we're cool there. If you were to rate cut, like the markets would probably go fucking parabolic. That's really not going to happen. It would be amazing if it did, but I don't think that's going to happen. And the other thing is like he could just end QT, and if he ends tightening, then that'd be like pretty bullish for the markets, and it would be suggestive of easing in the next meeting, maybe, that would kind of suggest easing and then a rate cut in the next meeting, which is in May, which would be massive. Then the markets would like probably send in May because global liquidity is really high. So on top of that, you're going to really have so many reasons to pump in May. So that's like kind of what I think probably is going to happen. I'm hoping is going to happen is he ends tightening, and then the next meeting in May he'll like probably do easing, and maybe I would expect a rate cut. I think they even like calculated like a 20% chance of a rate cut or something for the next meeting. That's really high. That's what you really want to happen. There's no way he's going to ease right away. And I really don't see there being a rate cut this soon. Like the markets need to be smashed way more. The economy needs to be smashed way more. Dollar needs to be down way more for him to go for a rate cut right now. So I don't think that's going to happen. If none of those above happen on Wednesday, and like he doesn't suggest a rate cut on the next meeting, he doesn't like, if it's not a positive meeting, like we're pretty fucked, to be honest with you. Like we're pretty fucked because there's no volume, and the next meeting is like actually Mo was saying May, so no volume and nobody's going to be buying. You're having to revisit the tariffs on April 2nd, right? So what's going to happen? You're going to go into probably hit the recession in July, and you're definitely going to go into a bear market after this FOMC. I mean, we're already about to roll over into a bear Bitcoin market and a bear stock market. It's like it's there. Like we're on edge, man. And if people are just telling you to buy, like they're bullshitting you and they're not being realistic, like you need to protect your capital also. You're not here to just get rugged to hell and sit on this shit for 2 more years and wait. Like, no, man, we're not here. Like, no offense, Solana is garbage. Ethereum is garbage. Turbo is garbage. And it's one of my favorite meme coins. Like, these are all digitalized trash to make money off of. You don't want to be sitting on this shit in a bear market. So, like, I wouldn't be buying and holding right now. You need to see some positivity, some volumes. If volumes come to the market, Bitcoin's going to send. It's really that simple. And there's no other way around it. Like, man, that cake bastard is moving, dude. All right, guys, I'm going to eat dinner. But maybe I get on tomorrow. Anyways, join the Degen tribe if you're not from the Degen tribe. And we'll teach you how to trade crypto